Twisted Fields, one of the things I'm really excited about right now is this idea of applying modern technology and automation to food production, to agriculture. Somewhere in the 1920s, I think it was 73%, 75%, something like that of the population worked directly or indirectly in producing the food. Well, today, any guesses what the number is?
I believe isn't it like 2 or 3%?
Yeah, it's somewhere in the 2 or 3% range. And that is, of course, purely the result of mechanization. So we learned how to build machines that could allow a farmer to farm hundreds of acres by one person. And there's certain types of crops that are amenable to that type of mechanization, which is why you look at our diet right now, which is in general not great for most people. And it's primarily made up of things like corn and soybeans and wheat. And those grains are great when used, sort of in the right balance with more healthy things like leafy greens, vegetables, fruits. But we've kind of gotten out of whack with that, right? Everything's made out of corn. And as a result, we've got a lot of health problems, right? Our healthcare system is paying a large, large price. The mechanization has created a lot of value, but it's also created problems. And now the smarter wave of technology, I believe, can help us to solve some of those problems and return us to a more sustainable, more healthy, both environmentally and for our own bodies, way of producing food. If you go to the grocery store, someplace where you could get healthy organic vegetables, broccoli and lettuce and kale, we see that the price tag is oftentimes an order of magnitude higher than buying that bag of chips. And so for many people, buying this high-priced, organic, healthy food is just out of their budget. It's out of their reach. It's not a possibility for them. So our goal is to try and create technology to allow us to grow the type of crops that people actually should be eating, make them delicious, make them nutritious, and most importantly, make them affordable. And the challenge with that is labor and scale. These type of crops are labor-intensive even today. That's why they cost so much. Crop surveillance, the planting, the weeding, the harvesting, the processing. And these are all things that if we can figure out better ways to do them, we can make healthy foods more available to everyone on this planet. And as a result of that, everybody's going to be healthier. They're going to be happier. Our healthcare costs are going to go way down. The quality of life is going to go way up.